If you're planning an event, you can make your life super easy by adding a digital RSVP option to your Canva website. I'll show you an easy and free way of doing this with Jotform and Canva, so you can stop chasing people around to find out if they're coming and handle massive registrations at scale. Let's go. So the first step that you're going to need to do is install the free Jotform integration with Canva. So in your Canva design, just head down to Apps here on the left side and then search for Jotform. And you'll see there's two here. There's the Jotform AI chatbot app, which is also free. And there's also Jotform AI Form, and that's the one that we want for this one. So once it finds that there, just click the first option, says Jotform AI Form, and then just click open here at the bottom. A really important step to do is to connect this to your Jotform account first, and that will save all the forms and responses in your account. To do that, just head down to the bottom here. You're going to see this blue box where it says you're using as a guest and to connect your account. So click that, and then just follow the prompts after the purple button to sign into your Jotform account and connect it. Okay, let's make our RSVP form. So there are a few ways to do this. The first is you can actually just write a prompt here. You can just describe what you want and Jotform will completely make it for you, which is amazing. After you finished your prompt, just click generate form here. And there we go. You see it's inserted into our design. And as you can tell, it's also inserted it like super big directly where we don't want it, but it's no problem. We can just click with our mouse anywhere on that form and drag it around just like we would any other Canva element. And of course it's too big, so I can just resize it by pulling on the corner here. And we can see the full form on the website. So I'll just show you the quick preview of that so you can see what it looks like. Here's a lovely conference form. And so of course we can scroll down and see the full form. And I'll show you two other ways of adding a Jotform form to your Canva website. And then I'll show you how you can edit this and customize the design and all of that sort of stuff to match your brand. So besides creating a form with AI prompts, you can also use one of Jotform's 20,000 free templates. Going to click on templates, and this will show you, some popular templates along here, but you can also search in the top bar here for the type of form that you need. In this case, I'm going to type RSVP. And then for whichever one you would like, just click the Use Template button here, and there's your form. And lastly, the third way is to add one of your existing forms from your Jotform workspace into your Canva website. You want to go up to your forms here at the top, and this is going to show you a list of all the forms that you have in Jotform. I have this one here called Let's Talk Shop, and I can click that to bring it into this design as well. Now I'll show you a little bit about how to customize your form and also how to find your responses and manage those RSVPs. There are a couple different ways to see your submissions here, your RSVPs. And one way is directly from your Canva website design. And you want to go to your forms at the top here. You want to click the three dots here and go view submissions. And that's going to take you over to Jotform Workspace. It will take you over to all the submissions for that form. And these will show along the left here in a big list when they all come in. There are some other ways that you can use your data and those submissions in Jotform too. So if you go up here to the top where it says Jotform Inbox, so if you click on Tables, and that's going to show you all the submissions for that form in a spreadsheet style table format. And with Jotform's automations and workflows, you can connect this to Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, wherever you need this data to feed into to make it convenient for you. It can automatically do that for you every time someone submits it, so you don't have to do anything. So to edit the look and style of this form, you can either go into your Jotform account at jotform.com, or you can just click Edit Form, and it will take you right over to your Jotform account. So I won't go into every single thing about customizing your Jotform form because we have lots of videos on that already, but there's a selection here on the left called Form Elements, and that's where you can add any new fields to your form. And of course, you can click existing fields and click the gear icon here to edit them. In terms of style and looks, all of that is found here on the right-hand side. There's a little paint roller icon here called our Form Designer. And here it has, colors, styles, themes, and layouts. So it's everything to do with how this form looks and how it's going to look on your Canva website. One more very quick little thing I'll show you that's especially relevant for RSVPs and events is you can make a QR code, which is really helpful for putting on printed materials. So to do that, you want to go into your form. You can double click on it here. And then right above that, it says add as QR code. So if you click that, it creates a QR code that goes to the RSVP form. You can take this and you can copy it and paste it into another Canva design for like a printed invite or whatever it happens to be. So it's just another easy way of getting people to RSVP. And that's how to easily manage RSVPs by adding an RSVP form to your Canva website with the free Jotform integration. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any more Jotform tips, and I will see you next time. Bye!